Hello and welcome to Wednesdaymoves, where we learn trading step by step without hype and without shortcuts. Let me ask you something. Have you ever placed a trade and had no idea how much you were actually risking? That confusion usually comes from not understanding three simple concepts: pips, lots, and spreads. Today, we will make all three extremely simple. These are not advanced topics, these are foundations. Every profitable trader understands pips, lot size, and spread clearly. And most losing traders ignore them. What is a pip? A pip is simply the smallest price movement in most forex pairs. It is how we measure profit and loss on a trade. If price moves, pips measure that movement. Example of a pip. Let's say if Euro USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1001, that movement is one pip. That's a small movement, right? But it becomes important when combined with lot size. Why pips matter? Pips tell you how much you gained or lost. They also help you calculate risk before entering a trade. Without understanding pips, trading becomes guessing. What is a lot? A lot is your position size. It defines how big your trade is. Two traders can take the same trade and have very different results simply because of lot size. Types of lots. Now there are three common types of lot sizes: standard, mini, and micro. Standard lots are large, mini lots are smaller, and micro lots are the smallest and safest for beginners. Why lot size matters? The bigger your lot size, the bigger your risk. Most beginners lose not because of strategy, but because their lot size is too big for their account. Now let's see what is spread. Spread is the difference between the buy price and the sell price. It is the cost you pay to enter a trade. You don't see it deducted, but it is always there. Why spread exists? It exists because brokers need to earn money. Some brokers have higher spreads and some have lower spreads. Lower spread is always better for traders. Now, how these three pips, lots, and spread work together? Pips show price movement, lot size controls how big your position is, spread is the cost of the trade. These three together decide whether you grow slowly or blow accounts quickly. Common beginner mistakes: using large lot sizes with small accounts, then ignoring spread when trading, and trading too often without understanding risk. What you should focus on: focus on protecting your capital first. Trade small, learn risk management early. This is how long term traders survive. Well, there are certain key takeaways. Strategies come later, discipline comes first, and understanding risk always matters more than chasing profits. If this lesson helped clarify pips, lots, and spreads, keep building your foundation slowly. The next lessons in this course will continue strengthening your understanding step by step. Subscribe if you want to continue learning trading the right way. Thank you for watching.